Na rin po ng mga huling kaganapan pampolitika ay formal ko pong inihahayag ang aking pagtakbo bilang senador sa nalalapit na halalan. Wala na pong atrasan ito.
Marcolita sa Senado. Atong paminaw ng iyang istorya karon diri sa kahanginan ato sa siyang tagaan ug masigabong palakpakan mga ka-people. Okay, mayong buntag mga ka-people. Kumusta ka diri? Kumusta kayong lahat? Okay, welcome dito sa ating channel, Mr. Bohol. Karon ato na pong istoryahan o atong tukion kining atong banggitan nga party list Congressman Rodante Marcolita nga iyang gipaabot o gipahayag yadtong niaging adlaw nga siya mudagan pagka senador mo ng atong abangan, atong atangan mga ka-people ang atong inidulo nga isa sa mga barker diha sa Kongreso, Senado kung saan mang committee na siya ay ipinatawag. Ayan mga ka-people. Ayan. Tugtugan na natin ang kantahan kini si Marcolita. At siyempre, bago na to siya atong paminaw ng iyang istorya karon diri sa kahanginan ato sa siyang tagaan ug masigabong palakpakan mga ka-people. Kini si Marcolita, mao ni siya ang isa sa mga mukampi ni BP Sara. Mao ni atong pagkahisgutan kung unsa ang iyang mga plataporma ug ang iyang kung ano nga nakadesisyon siya nga mo kandidato.
For the marginalized sectors of society. SAGIP stands for Social Amelioration and Genuine Intervention on Poverty. As a distinguished professor of law himself, our guest of honor is no stranger to the noble vocation of teaching. In fact, it's a calling that is very close to his heart, as he too understands the profound impact educators have in shaping society. And so, my dear teachers, it is with great pride that I introduce to you a man who is deeply committed to advocating for the welfare of teachers, championing
mga ka-people, kani si Mr. Rodante, Congressman Rodante Marcolita. Isa na siya diha sa mga hearing sa Kongreso nga tanan niya nga iyang ipang bulgar diha, puro gina siya tinuod. So maunang uban diha nga naa sa administrasyon karon suko ni Marcolita kay gusto mo nila nga ilaha ang matuman labi na gyud kadtong budget nga gi-question ni Marcolita nga naa sa 6.2 trillion.
Kamayo hurot. Hindi ko na po babatiin lahat yung mga opisyales na nandito ngayon both sa Caraga or Davao Oriental dahil binanggit na pong isa-isa ni Mayor Osnan kanina. Babatiin ko na lamang po ang mga guro na nandito ngayon sapagkat today is the World Teachers Day. Nung binata po ako, marami po akong nakilalang mga dalaga. Meron pong mga accountant, merong abogado, merong doktor, merong nurse. Magaganda po sila lahat. Pero sabi ko, pag mag-aasawa ko, gusto ko teacher ang maging asawa ko. Kaya ang asawa ko po ay isang teacher. Nakagaya po ninyo. Ang sabi po nila, invest in our teachers and our children will succeed. Naalala ko po yung Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. It's an old law enacted in 1966, some 58 years ago. Doon nakalagay po yung maraming benefits sa mga teachers. Meron po doon na cost of living allowance. Ang sabi po doon, at least the teacher's salary should keep in pace with the living expenses, and the allowance should be given and be based automatically on the living cost index. On an annual basis, the Secretary of Education should submit to Congress, ang sabi po doon, a recommendation for an appropriation for this cost of living expenses. Nangyayari po ba yun sa inyo? Meron pa pong sinasabi na special hardship allowance. Ito po ay yung pong exposure ninyo to difficult situations from commuting to your assignments and other exposures. Ang sinasabi po doon, you should be paid at least 25% of your monthly salary. Nangyayari po ba yun? Meron pa pong sinasabing medical examination and medical treatment which will be given free to all teachers. At kapag doon sa medical examination, napatunayan meron kayong sakit, you will be treated for free. Nangyayari po ba ito? By the oversight function of the Senate, titingnan po nating mabuti kung napatutupad na mabuti ang Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. Ang sinasabi po kasi, the declaration of policy is to promote and improve the social and economic status of public school teachers, their living and work conditions, including the requirements for employment and career prospects. 58 years after the enactment of the law, we have yet to fulfill the realization of this declared policy. Meron pa pong isang sinasabi about teachers. A good education can change anyone. May I propose a little amendment? A good education can change anyone, but not everyone.
Marcolita.
Alam po niyo kung bakit? Tingnan po niyo yung mga colleagues ko sa House of Representatives. I thought they had good education. I thought they were all taught by good teachers like you. I believe they have valued all our laws and our traditions, as the teachers always say during our years of education. Pero tingnan ninyo yung nangyari. I was only defending our rules in the House of Representatives. I was only defending the traditions that make us all, because these traditions are the ones that we kept for so long a time. These are time-honored traditions that cannot just be discarded, cannot be erased. The office of the Vice President is not subjected to questions, and that is the well-kept tradition. Ano pong gagawin natin? Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Marami naman po kayong tinuruan, mas marami po yung magagaling kesa doon sa mapupuro lang ulo. Hindi na po ako magtatagal because we have a flight to catch up. Ang sasabihin ko lamang po sa inyo, kayo pong mga teachers, na alam ko po ang buhay nyo sapagkat ang aking may bahay ay katulad ninyo, I implore that you continue to be heroes. I came here not only to celebrate with you. I came here not only to pay tribute to you, but I came here to seek your solace, your guidance, and your inspiration to what is happening in the House of Representatives. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Yung itinuro po nyo sa inyong magagaling na estudyante will be kept forever in our hearts. And we will fight whatever it takes. I'd like to end by saying this to the people of the municipality of Caraga.